Hi, I've been using this contour brush for a while and I really love it. It comes in this great case, and then you can see how it has a plastic, looks like wood but it's plastic, and then these nubbins, so it kind of act like fingers on the brush. So what we're going to do is take a look at my skin and see the puffiness, and this is me, no makeup, in the morning. See if we can get some of that drained out. So we rub it gently on your face, going up to the hairline, and then in a few swipes I'll swipe down. Oh, see right there, it's making me swallow because the drainage is starting to work already. And I'm only going to do one side of my face, hoping that there's going to be some sort of difference. But I think I'll stop it here and fast forward it so that you can see what it's like. This really feels so good. It's like a little massage that you can give yourself. And here we have a look. I'm done, and I think you can see a difference on the side I was working. It's less puffy under my eyes, and my skin just looks like it has more color and it's more lifted, and definitely less puffy, especially around the mouth. You can just see the sides of my mouth are higher on the other side and more smoothed out. So if this is something you're looking for, I definitely recommend it. I think over time it's going to make a huge difference in my skin.